everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Demi.
And I'm Parker.
And today we are going to do an unboxing. What do we have, Parker?
A Powerball set. Makes 18 super bouncy balls made by me.
Glow in the dark. So we are going to unbox it right now, and then we're going to set the camera up so that you guys can see what is going on.
Yeah.
All right.
Here's what they look like. They're just little bouncy balls with crystals in them.
All the different colors. And then this is the instructions. So the kit includes 1 round mold, 1 hexagon mold, 16 bags of crystals, 2 bags of glow-in-the-dark crystals. What we need is 1 cup, scrap paper, water, resealable bag. Alright, so we have made a big
Look at that.
ball. Well, not really a ball.
It's more like a tube thing. I don't know.
And we are going to throw it, well, Parker is going to throw it off the balcony. So, oh, look what I just ran into. Screen door that's broken. Alright, go ahead. Just push it.
Now, should we throw it over there?
Try to throw it, yeah, throw it right there.
Okay, so like on here?
No, on the steps.
On the steps.
Alright, I'm recording, so go ahead. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Ah! It didn't explode that much.
The rest of it. So we're gonna, alright guys, well, thank you for watching. We're gonna go and we will see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!